Yeah, masaya.
Ito mukhang seryoso na kayo sa game na to. Mananalo ba kayo?
Oo, mananalo ko. Kasi seryoso na kami.
Yun ang nga sinabi. Tama yan, James.
Rico Mayhofer there holding on to his shoe here. So he got a layup.
Ali Big wants to bring Meyerhofer home.
You want that. I mean, it's finals.
And Ginebra teammates matched up against each other. Rubik came up with a big defensive.
This is the way to keep your pivot foot off.
Walang trap. Yan ha, wala talaga.
Stranding defense by Blackwater. Force converge.
Oh, there's no one there.
Agad kamustahin si Grandi. Pare, kamusta? Ano yun? Ay! Ako! Hindi na ako!
Pati si Wilson natawa.
Triple pa.
There's a kid who ran to the court.
Alam ko sa sarili ko, ako ang MVP! Ako ang MVP! Ako ang MVP!
Bro, what are you talking about, man?